Hi guys, welcome back. This video I will be just showing you a route how you can go from if you want to go to Lucknow via Kanpur. So this way is there. I'm just following this route. So I just came across in this Yamuna Expressway. You have to come straight and you will see a route here. You can see right here on the back side. So as you can see guys, this is the way you can check out on the road. It's completely written there. It's the Lucknow Agra Expressway. So it goes to straight Agra Kanpur. So you can check out the back side, all the things. It's a complete new road. I will be covering you on the further steps from where you have to take turns or not. So you have to take turn from there, and it's completely written on the on the road. You can see. I'll be taking out that turn and I'll be making recording from inside the phone. So stay tuned. I'm going to take turn from here, and it's clearly written there also. So let's go straight here. As you can see, that is the main road actually. When I was going with the old way with this Shikohabad road, so that road was under construction a couple of months back. Now it is not completely, it's under construction yet again. But you have to take care of these things. Do not go straight. The straight is going to the Gwalior. You have to take left, and you can see it's written there. देश के सबसे लंबे आगरा लखनऊ एक्सप्रेसवे पर आपका स्वागत है. So this is the road. No need to worry about. Just go straight from the Yamuna Expressway. It's completely road written there. You can take roads from there. You can go straight. See. So this is the new road, and you have to just follow straight. I will be showing you some other parts like in between that on the junction to the Kanpur. If you have to take down to Kanpur or other places like now before to that, and all the possible major routes that you have to take from there. I'm just comparing it with the expressway. You can see so many people have done some crazy things here. They make the way to come here and there. So do not try to drive so fast here, because I see so many people are crossing the roads with the bikes and they are on their foot too. So make sure, even though you can see cars are driving on the very fast, but make sure you should not drive on the inside. You can see just couple of months it's open, its complete thing is damaged here. All the fencing you can see, and still construction is going on as of today on the 11th of March. Still on the both side of the these are the the ways for the motorcycles and for the localites here. Still there is constructions, and still so many plantations is there happening. I guess they just planted today. Maybe after a few years we'll see how many of them are still there and survived. It's just going on, diggings and planting the plants. So there is a toll ahead, might be under construction. In future it may start. Looks like it's still under construction. There is no toll yet. This is the first toll that you will see. It's still open. Only one lane is open. Completely under construction. Some roads are still under construction. You can see there is a diversion. So you have to take care of those things. In the night it can give you some kind of trouble, because it's a single lane then, and we are going on the same way. So this should get worked around, fixed maybe within 1 or 2 months, and all the completing process has been done. But it has been advertised like this thing is still completed, totally completed, but still you can see you have so many constructions still on the way. It's in the progress. So these are the places, kind of a small diversion. You can take a little less. So there is no sideway like some ground or grass. So this is what you will get on the back side. You can see enough space to park any car. You can just park your own car like besides me. So these are the places you can take rest. What we tried. So completely new road. Everything is fine. Roads are okay. Just look close here. Back side is all. You can see guys, there is a road here, downside 2 roads here. So some place you will see this Lucknow and the Kannauj. So this road is going to Kannauj right here, and the straight away you have to go Lucknow. From here 26 kilometers onward you will get exactly the Kanpur diversion. I'll show you guys here exactly the Kanpur diversion, so stay tuned, we'll just see that. So guys, this is the place from where you have to take turn for the Kanpur. So you can see there is a straight turn around the head. If you just take a round circle there, from there you can take and go to the Kanpur. So that side you can see is the truck that is coming. Actually it is coming from the Kanpur. so you have to take from there. So I will be going from there. You can see two cycles persons are going there. You have to take turn from there, then go inside and take it in. So what I will suggest, use your Google map. Do not use here map, because this road is new, it's not updated. So use your Google map, and just from your current location, before to that, just enter the Kanpur there. So it will give you a straight guide from where you have to take turn. You just have to turn from here. I'll be just showing you how do I turn that. So this is the road. You will come straight from right side this way, then you have to immediately take turn from here.
Take the exit towards National Highway 34.
So that's the Google map, it is working. National Highway 34, you have to take from here.
Continue on National Highway 34 for 59 kilometers.
So from here, approx 60 kilometers of Kanpur. So these were the two cycle persons we talked about, and they showed the correct way. So from there you have to go. So there it is written, as you can see, it shows Kanpur from here. So right, you can see right side is a Kanpur, Kannauj. You have to take left from here. So this is the Kanpur, you have to take left from here. So I'm just turning from here. This is the way. Both roads are going to join there. From here straight 59 kilometers to Kanpur. So you can read on there, it shows exactly all the details. Kanpur 59, Lucknow is 101 from here. It's a very narrow road from here. So if you're coming to Kanpur, so at this time this is not recommended come with the expressway, because you know whatever time you will save there, you're going to waste it here, because the average speed you will drive from here is 50 to 60 maximum, because there are so many small vehicles, just a two-lane road. So I won't recommend you guys to come from this road in case you're trying to come to Kanpur. For Lucknow, it's very good. So take turn from here, even though before Kannauj or some places, or just come with the old Shikohabad road. That is much better way. It's too crowded here, you can see. From this I am driving from last 20 minutes like that. It's very much crowded here, so it's totally waste to come in this way to the Kanpur here. These are some internal ways, you know, small places. Kakwan, some, I don't know the name also. You can see here. This is the old GT road, I guess. The map is showing the old GT road. So there is railway crossing also. We crossed that much area. Now you can see, I guess for 10 kilometers it was like lonely. There was no village near there. That we have this railway crossing. So it depends on your luck or bad luck. You can get the train, can spend again 10 to 15 minutes here. This kinds of crowd, this small villages area you will get after each 4 to 5 kilometer. So this that I have figured out. So this is third village I got. Is still Kanpur is 30 kilometers from here. So crossing this usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that, for 4 to 5 kilometers is still just two-lane road. So that you guys have to decide whether really you don't have any problem going with this crowded place. So that's fine. And that crowd is very rough. You know, they make so much jam here. This auto, buses, truck, everybody is going inside this small two roads. And there is a railway line alongside too. So it's a fun. I found two trains actually passed by. And the road is usual. You can see it here. Bikes, so many bikes are there. Even there is a police check post too, without any police, without any post. This auto, and still Kanpur is 26 kilometers from here. So you can see